So many times I hear students say things like أنا شغل كل يوم. Do not say that. Or they say something like أنا شغل في مستشفى. Do not say that. I'm going to teach you how to say the proper sentence, or what you should be saying. But to kind of, in your defense, I understand why this is happening. Let me explain. In English, the word for work is used as the noun and as the verb. So it's the same word, work, for the noun and for the verb. For example, you say something like, I have a lot of work. Work here is the noun. I have a lot of work. There's no action. And you could say something like, I work every day. I work, there's a verb, that's a verb, there's action. I work every day. You're using the same word for both kind of structures, one for the noun and one for the verb. Now, if you're translating directly from English, that's probably why you're making this mistake, okay? So you just have to understand, in Arabic, the noun is one word and the verb is another word. The noun is شغل. So if you want to say, I have a lot of work, in عامية, colloquial, you would say, أنا عندي شغل كتير. عندي شغل. Here you would use the word شغل. The verb بشتغل. So أنا بشتغل كل يوم. I work every day. That's the verb. أنا بشتغل كل يوم. تمام? So I wanted to point these out because I hear students say things like every day they say something like, especially beginners, right? Especially beginners. أنا شغل كل يوم, or أنا شغل مهندس, or أنا شغل في مستشفى. No, that's the noun. You can't say that. It's understood, but it's incorrect, okay? And by the way, if you're watching this and you're wondering why I'm saying بشتغل and why I'm saying some pronunciations are a little bit different, it's because here in this video I'm teaching colloquial Arabic known as عامية, particularly the Palestinian and Jordanian dialect, okay? If you're brand new to Arabic, make sure to check out the free mini course. I explain MSA, which is formal Arabic, and I explain and I talk about dialects and what are the different types of dialects. It's very important if you're starting your Arabic learning journey to understand the different types of Arabic and learn the one that better aligns with your goals. Okay, back to the video. So, instead of saying أنا شغل كل يوم, you should say أنا بشتغل كل يوم. The B here is that colloquial 11 time B. أنا بشتغل كل يوم. أنا شغل مهندس? No. أنا بشتغل مهندس, or أنا مهندس. You can just simply say أنا مهندس, I'm an engineer, okay? And then the previous one, أنا بشتغل كل يوم, I work every day, أنا بشتغل كل يوم. And then أنا شغل في مستشفى? No, I work at a hospital. The word for work as a verb, you would say بشتغل. أنا بشتغل في مستشفى, okay? Some common questions you guys might be getting. وين تشتغل, or وين تشتغلي? شو بتشتغل, or شو بتشتغلي? تمام؟ وشو مجال شغلك, or شو مجال شغلك. Okay, شو مجال شغلك, شو مجال شغلك. Okay, and to respond, like if someone asks you شو بتشتغل, you're gonna say أنا بشتغل plus your profession, or just say أنا and your profession. So if you're a doctor, أنا دكتور, or أنا طبيب. If you're an engineer, أنا مهندس, أنا طالب, I'm a student. Okay, where do you work? This is where you would use كمان the verb. أنا بشتغل في مدرسة, بشتغل في مستشفى, بشتغل في مكتب محاسبة, accounting firm, accounting office, literally. شو مجال شغلك is another kind of common question. What kind of field or what field of work? شو مجال شغلك? What field is your work? Literally. I have work. عندي شغل. Okay, so just really, it's simple. Just remember, the noun is شغل. Whenever in English you say I have a lot of work, that's a noun. عندي شغل كتير. Tomorrow I have work. بكرة عندي شغل. أو عندي شغل بكرة. And then the verb, بشتغل. So أنا بشتغل كتير. I work a lot. أنا بشتغل مرتين بالأسبوع. I work twice a week مثلا. أو أنا بشتغل ليل نهار. This is something we say a lot. بشتغل ليل نهار. I work night and day. بشتغل ليل نهار. Okay? Let me know if you guys are guilty of making these mistakes. I know a lot of beginners are. If you are عادي, this is very normal. Like I said, in your defense, you're probably just translating from English. But you have to understand, not everything translates 100% equally, okay? And there's things that are going to be different. One of them is this. The noun and the verb for the word work in Arabic is different. تمام? Hopefully that helped. Let me know in the comments. كمان وين بتشتغلوا أو شو بتشتغلوا? Where do you work, or what do you do? What do you work as? تمام؟ وبشوفكم الفيديو الجاي. See you in the next video.